All right.
Got the pyrite you were talking about.
Hold that.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the gold there, right on the end.
Oh yeah. You check that all that purpose.
Wash that off. Hold that first. It probably came out in there. Looks crystallized. Yeah, it's all there.
It is a crystal right there.
Take the light off of it. Okay, wash it. It is a crystal. We come around both sides. Oh yeah. Fresh out of the ground.
Really not a crystal.
Huh?
Really not a crystal.
That was in there a way.
There's a bunch of pyrite in there.
Yeah. Hang on. Gotta turn this damn thing off. Take your light off of it. Nice.
This one looks pretty good.
Come on, focus. The lighting is horrific. Can't focus. Anyways, I'll get pictures of it up above.
The camera's probably got the stuff on it.
There we go. Gold on both sides. There'll be gold all across that whole end. We'll clean that up. It'll look good. All right, cool. Found gold.